Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Nickelodeon app on your Smart Blu-ray Player using Chromecast, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Ensure your Smart Blu-ray Player with Chromecast built in is connected to your TV and the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Download the Nickelodeon app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. Step 3. Open the Nickelodeon app and tap on the cast icon in the top corner of the screen. Step 4. Select your Smart Blu-ray Player from the list of available Chromecast devices. Step 5. Browse the Nickelodeon app for the show or content you want to watch and tap on it. Step 6. An activation prompt may appear asking you to link your TV provider. Select your cable or streaming provider and log in with your credentials. Step 7. If an activation code appears on your TV screen, visit nick.com, activate on your computer or mobile browser, enter the code, and complete the activation process. Step 8. Once activated, the content will start streaming on your TV through your Blu-ray player. You can now enjoy all your favorite Nickelodeon shows and cartoons on the big screen using your mobile device as a remote control. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.